So now let's do an exercise with a practical solution. Imagine you need to leave home for 2 weeks and your child feels that you leave them alone. What practical, down-to-earth, very, very practical solutions can you come up with to deal with that? Keep it very practical, something they can do. Not emotional, they can do on a very practical level. Okay, ready, go.
Do you want more content like this? Let me know what you would like to see. What would you like to hear? What topics would you like me to discuss? Make a comment what you would like to hear.